Hey folks, today we are going to make salsa. I sliced the tomatoes in half to speed up the cooking time. For this amount, let it boil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. A good indication that it's ready is when you see the skin of the tomatoes starting to come off. I like to use a slotted spoon to take the tomatoes and the peppers out. Using the water from the pot, I'll pour 1/4 to 1/2 the way up the vegetable height, and then add salt and blend. We use serrano peppers. We left the seeds in them. This salsa will be spicy. Less peppers, less spicy. More tomatoes, less spicy. Salsa is a sauce. Comment down below what you like to pour your salsa on. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Adios, ciao, bye.